Welcome student. Today we are going to look at the grammatical part, that is writing skill, uh, how to write an essay. Okay, here are some examples of an essay and the points are given in this first bracket, that is essay. So let us look at the essay. The first essay is the elephant. The elephant. So here it is the smallest one essay, but you have to write down. You have to write down while we are going to write down the essay. School essay. We just today writing down the school essay. School essay. So there are some characteristics of school essay. We are writing here a school essay. ESSAY. How to write down the school essay? So there are some characteristics. The first one is the unity. Unity. So here unity means while we writing the essay, school essay, that is the first point is unity. Unity means an essay must be a unity, developing one theme with the defined purpose. uh, the subject must be clearly defined in the mind. Okay, subject must be clearly defined in the mind. So we must have a plan to write an essay with a particular sequence. Okay, so here the first point, while writing an essay, that is unity. There must be a unity in the subject. Okay, so the first point is unity. Write down into your notebook. Okay, the first point is unity. Okay, The subject of an essay must be treated in a variety of ways and from different point of views. So this is called a unity of the of an essay. Okay. Second point. The second point. Second point is order. What? Second point is the second point is order. Order. While we are writing an essay, we must follow a particular order. Order in thought lines and order of the definite conclusion of an essay. So here the essay should not consist a haphazard reflections to put down anyhow. There should be not only unity of the subject but also unity of treatment. Hence the necessity for thinking outline of the thought before beginning writings. So here an idea and the sequence must be clear in our mind. So the first point is unity. It gives us an idea about the subject which we write in an essay. Okay, and secondly, there is an order or a sequence of the subject. It must be clear in our mind. So here we have 2 points: unity, order. Third is brevity. Brevity means the essay should not be long. It must be limit. It should be limit. Okay, about 300 words, or it should follow the length of an essay. Okay, if we complete our subject, if we put our ideas which are in our mind in that subject with a limited words, so the essay becomes very beautiful. If we write down a lengthy essay, so it may be possible that we are going to write we are writing the things that are not related with the subject of an essay. So it is very important to be stick with the subject of an essay. Okay, fourth point here. Third point is B R E V I T Y, brevity. Okay, this is third point while we going to write an essay. Fourth point is a style. If we are going to write an essay, there must be a particular style. Okay, the essay must be familiar, natural, and easy. Uh, while we writing such essay, there should not be any contradictions in essay. Okay, uh, we uh, we must write down a fine writings, the language and the sentences which are used in an essay to construct an essay with very simple language, direct language, and natural language. So here we have uh, another point, that is a style. We must follow a particular style. Okay, that is the fourth point. STYLE, style. Okay, fifth point. Fifth point. Fifth point is personal touch. TOUCH, touch. Personal touch. An essay should be revealed the personal feelings and opinions of the writer. Okay, it should have his individuality in it. Strictly speaking, as has been already said, an essay is a written composition giving expression of one's personal idea. So there must be your personal touch with an essay. If you writing the sentences which reflect your ideas, then essay will be uh, very interesting, very interesting. Okay, and the last point is to sum up. Last point. Okay, to sum up must means you must be conclude the subject in a limited sentences. Okay, an essay must have unity. So here we have 5 point, and 6th is the sum up of the essay. So we must follow the path, follow the rule, that is, first thing is there must be a unity in the subject. Okay, that subject must be written down an orderly manner. Okay, in orderly manner, and that subject must be follow a particular style. The words or the sentences which are used in an essay must be simple, direct, and clear. Okay, and an essay must have a personal touch. Okay, so here we have 3 features which are necessary to write down an essay with necessary to write down a good essay, that is suitable subject matter, proper arrangement of the matters, and the adequate power of expressions. Where all these 3 are present, the essay will be very clear, interesting, and effective. So here we must follow 3 points must be in your essay. Write down 3 point. Okay, first uh, first suitable, SUITABLE, suitable subject matter. Okay, subject matter, this is first point. Okay, write down in your notebook. Okay, first point is suitable subject matter. Secondly, suitable subject matter. Secondly, proper arrangement. Okay, arrangement. And third point is adequate expression. Adequate expression. Okay, adequate expression. If we follow this path, our essay will be very beautiful. Okay, so students, look at here, the sections includes the essays. Different type of essays are here. The first is elephant. It is an informative essay, a small essay. For example, the second is the happiest day of my life. So here we have an essay which explains the point of at the time of the happiest day. Okay, so here an idea about constructing the essay and which point is essential to construct a good essay. We just look look in this lecture. So you must write down that points and follow that points while you are going to write an essay. Okay, okay. So now student, we will stop here. Here are some essays are given, that is a visit to a zoo. It is an informative essay. My country. It must be include your personal touch. And the last one is Holi, about the festival. And how I come to school every day. This is also an informative lessons. Okay, so now we will stop here.